Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this is the bell work for Wednesday, the 24th. Today you're working doing distance learning, so I'm not going to be readily available. So I wanted to go ahead and go through this with you. Let's see. I'm going to this file on this side is available to you in the bell work folder in Schoology, and then I'm going to work it out on this side. So hopefully that will be helpful. My suggestion, as always, is if you have not already attempted these problems, you need to pause this video now and attempt the problems. Once you have attempted all of the problems, go ahead and start the video back and you can see if you got the right answers. Because if you're just watching this video without having attempted the problems, then this is going to be a waste of your time. I'm so sorry. Okay? And I want your time to be well spent. So number 1, it says, write a proportion to solve this problem. And this is a case 1, case 2 problem. Why can't I write straight today? Only the good Lord knows. Let's see. So case 1, case 2. It says if 10 math books, so this is books, and pounds, 10 math books weighs 55 pounds, how much would 22 math books weigh? So I start off with my ratio box, and then I go to my proportion. Proportion, which is really just writing this with an equals in the middle. So 10 over 55 is equal to 22 over x. Now the problem asks me just to write the proportion, so this would be the answer. I don't have to cross multiply and solve, but that's how I would have solved it. Okay, let me go ahead and get a clean. This is number 2. What is the average of the two numbers marked by the arrows? I can literally not see the two numbers marked by the arrows, so I'm going to need to make this big for a second. Let's see, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 tick marks between 3 and 4. So that means that this is 3.1, 3.2, 3.3. So let me go back. Let me snap this back over here. Okay. So I have 3.3 plus, and we know average is equal to the sum over how many. And we know that our how many is equal to 2. So we need to get the sum. 1, 2, 3. It looks like that. I'm not sure if I'm not seeing it right. This is kind of hard to see. So I have my average is equal to 8.6 over 2, which is 4.3. Let me go to the next one. Okay, it says use a ratio box to solve this problem. 625 girls attended the assembly. If the ratio of boys to girls in the assembly was 7:2, how many girls attended the assembly? So let's see. Here's my ratio box. This is ratio. This is actual. Boys, girls. And it says, oh, and it has a total. It tells me how many total students. Total. So if 625 students attended the assembly, that's an actual number. And the ratio of boys to girls was 7:2. So I'm going to add those and get 9. How many girls? So this is what I'm working with right here. This is going to end up being my proportion. So I have 2 over 9 is equal to x over 625. I'm going to cross multiply. 9x is equal to 2 times 625. 9x is equal to 2 times 925. Oh, okay, let's put in the numbers right. Okay, we'll do. Times 625. 1250. I hope we don't get half a human. That's always awkward. So x equals... we did. I get 138.8, which is the correct answer, but you can't have this part of a human being. So this is the answer. Just Mrs. Ross chose, these are numbers I chose randomly, so that's what you get when you choose randomly. So let's go on to the next one. It says use a unit multiplier to convert 7.5 grams to milligrams, and there it gives you the unit multiplier. So when we're converting units, this is the formula that I use. Given times the unit multiplier equals the answer. We're given 7.5 grams. We don't know what our unit multiplier is going to be yet, but we do know that we want milligrams in the end. So I'm either going to use 1 gram over 1,000 milligrams or 1,000 milligrams over 1 gram, because these are equal to one another. I want milligrams, so I'm going to put that in the top. My grams are going to cancel. I get 7.5 times 1,000. I get 7,500 milligrams. All right, let me know if you have any questions.